Hi Maleha, how are you?
Fine, Alhamdulillah.
So, in Pakistan, breast cancer is not just a disease, it's a taboo. So, in this Breast Cancer Awareness Month, what is your message to the entire population of women in Pakistan?
Being a part of an oncology pharmaceutical industry, I would like to say that we have to break this taboo. We have to break this, we have to raise our voice. Just 3 minutes of self-examination per month and 1 mammography per year will make a lot of difference. Early detection can save your lives because you are the heart of your home and you are the strength of your family. So you have to make sure that you keep yourself checked. Every story is unique, every journey matters.
Too often, men don't create a safe space for the women in their families to talk about their bodies. In this Breast Cancer Awareness Month, what is your message for the entire population of women in Pakistan?
I think we need to create a safe culture for women where they can talk about this topic, because this is not a taboo topic. This should be spoken about. This should be spoken loudly and fearlessly instead of silencing it. I think that सिर्फ women को awareness देने से कुछ नहीं होगा. We need to give awareness to the men as well. In order to empower women, men should know that this is not a taboo topic. Okay? They should know that they have to create a very safe space for women where they can go to checkups, where they can talk about it openly. And breast is not a kind of a word जिसको shun down करना चाहिए society के अंदर. If we want to create a healthy society, we need to create healthy women. In order to do that, ख़वातीन को खास करके अपने चेकअप के लिए लाजमी जाना चाहिए और एक सेफ इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए आदमियों को भी उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. A woman can only be empowered when men, जब आदमी और औरतें दोनों साथ साथ चलेंगे. I think that.
So, Shreya, we've seen too often that men in Pakistan don't create safe spaces in their families for women to talk about their bodies. What message do you have for the women of Pakistan?
Yes, Babar, I totally agree with you. These issues still exist in Pakistan. Although Pakistan is progressing, but the issues related to women healthcare also exist. So being a man, यहाँ पे मैं ये responsibility लेता हूँ कि मैं breast cancer के हवाले से awareness create करूँगा. ना सिर्फ अपनी family में, even though people who are in my surrounding, जिनके साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, daily operations होते हैं, उन लोगों में मैं लाजमी breast cancer के हवाले से awareness create करूँ.
Thank you, Shreya, for this very inspiring message.
You are welcome, Babar.
Hi, Mavish. How are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm good. So, too many women suffer in silence because they're afraid to even say the word breast. What is your message for the women of Pakistan in this Breast Cancer Awareness Month?
Many women lose their life not because it cannot be treated, just because it was not detected on time. Cause many of the female very much are afraid to share their symptoms and too much shy, cause they all think that it's a kind of taboo thing.